The weapons on these figures are actually very easy to bring to life with just a few simple steps. For the metal parts of the weapon, I like to use Tamiya XF69 NATO Black, or a similar near black color like Smoke Black. Using a near black color instead of pure black helps keep the details visible and makes it easier to add depth later. For any wooden parts, such as the stock, I use cork or a buff color as the base. Once the base colors are dry, I apply a wash to bring out the details. For the wood, I use a medium or strong tone brown wash, depending on how dark I want the wood to appear. For the metal parts, I use a black wash to deepen the shadows and define the small details. To add some subtle wear and bring the metal to life, I use a graphite stick and lightly rub it along the edges and areas where the weapon would see regular contact. This adds a slight metallic sheen that can significantly improve the look of the weapon with very little effort. For the slings, I simply glue small strips of Tamiya tape near the sling attachment points. Once the glue is dry, I paint the tape using a deep brown color, making sure to paint both sides. After the paint has dried, I apply a dark brown wash to add some depth. These small details don't take much time, but they can make the weapons look much more convincing and help bring the entire figure together.